Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming a 24 hours in quarantine, self-isolation, lockdown with me. I just thought that I'd film myself what I'm getting up to whilst I'm off of work for the time being. I am still currently working, so I am going only between work and my mum's. I'm not going to Jack's where I would usually be. So I'm not going to be able to see him for like 3 weeks or more, and honestly, it's day 5 and I'm dying. Anyway, it is Friday night. It is, what date? It is the 27th of March. I will just prove that to you now. It is 7 minutes to 7 and I am basically just going to film what I'm getting up to over the next 24 hours. So let's just jump on into the video and let's hope it's not too boring. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be living in. This is just a Pretty Little Thing hoodie and then Pretty Little Thing joggers. And I am now going to go and make my dinner. And I'm actually going to make pancakes because, well, I think I'm going to make pancakes just because I want some pancakes and why not? Before I do that, I'm going to wash my hands. I've got this normal soap, but we actually just bought this one because we're about to run out, and it is a bubblegum, and I'm just wanted to show you that we've got bubblegum smelling soap. It's so nice. So yeah, I'm going to wash my hands as we have been told to do about 5,000 times in one day, and make sure you sing happy birthday. So I've got all of my ingredients out here: milk, eggs, golden syrup, Nutella to go on top, and then flour, and then my jug to put it all in. So the mixture is done, and now I'm just going to put some oil on the pan. Okay, so the first one is in the bin and this is the second one, and I think it's looking alright so far, so I will keep you updated. Okay, so I've now finished my pancakes and I'm getting into bed, and I'm going to watch some YouTube videos, and I might even watch an episode of The Stranger, which I've just started. I'm going to get into bed and watch now. Okay, so I've actually just been on FaceTime to Jack for about half an hour, and now, oh my god, my hair is literally just so greasy. So now I'm actually going to watch an episode of The Stranger, and then I'm actually going to get into bed. Well, I'm already in bed, but I'm actually going to go to sleep after that because I am tired. I've been going to sleep at 9 o'clock every night this week, so it's 9 o'clock right now and I'm literally so tired. So I'm going to watch an episode of The Stranger and then I will report back. Okay, so I've literally watched like this much of it there. Obviously the red bit, and I am so tired. Okay, so I'm literally going to go to sleep now. I am so tired. It's only 9:30. But tomorrow I've got a busy day. I've just written a list of things that I need to do tomorrow. So that is basically everything for this evening. I've literally just been chilling. I haven't done a lot at all, but tomorrow I'm going to be doing a few productive things, so I will see you in the morning when I wake up. Hopefully I can have some sort of a lay-in because my body is so used to waking up at 7 o'clock for work, and I kind of want to sleep in like even just till like 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna sit on my phone for a little bit now and then go to sleep. So good night, and I will see you in the morning. Hi guys, so I just woke up. Well, I woke up about 45 minutes ago. I woke up at 8:20. It's now 9:05. I've just been sat in bed on my phone going through social media, and now I'm going to watch the new episode of RuPaul's Drag Race. So I'm going to watch that now and then I'll report back. Okay, so I've just finished watching RuPaul's Drag Race. It's quite a good episode, to be fair. But now I have just decided that I'm going to go for a run because I just weighed myself and I was not happy with the weight. So I'm going to start eating healthy and all of that. So I'm about to go for a run. I look like a mess right now, but I'm going to shower obviously when I get back and wash my hair. My hair is so greasy. So I'm going to get ready into some running stuff and then I'm going to go for a run. So I am in my gym stuff. I am going to go for a run and I will see you when I'm done basically. And I'm going to be bright red, I can imagine. Oh my god. I am back from a run and I'm getting straight in the shower. I'm so hot and sweaty. I'll see you when I am fresh. Okay, so as you can see, I am now out of the shower. I've washed my hair. I've done a little bit of skincare, but I do actually need to finish that off and do the rest of my skincare. And now I'm eating my breakfast. So I've just got a bowl of apple. Okay, so I've just brushed my hair and then I'm going to dry it now because I'm going to film a video today. So I am going to dry my hair now, put you on a little time lapse, and then I'm going to do my skincare. Okay guys, so it is now, let me have a look, 1:45. My mum has just gone to work. She's a police officer, so she's working, obviously. So I'm actually currently making my lunch. It's 1:45. I'm quite hungry now, and I'm just making tuna pasta because there's not a lot in the house. So yeah, I'm trying to be healthy as of today. So I think what I'm going to have is tuna pasta. It's the only really healthy-ish stuff that we've got in the house other than what I'm having for dinner. So the pasta is currently cooking. I've got wholemeal pasta and then everything else is here. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that to cook and then I'll show you the finished product once it's all finished. I'm gonna eat that and then I'm gonna get to filming a makeup video, so watch out for that on my channel. I don't know if that would already be up or it will be going up after this. I'm really not sure, but yeah, life's a bit boring right now. By the way, that whole time since eating my apple, I think it was, or since drying my hair, I've just been sat on my phone. Literally just sat on my phone. So yeah, I'll see you when my dinner's, well, my lunch is ready. So my lunch is ready. It is literally just tuna pasta. I added way too much mayonnaise, but this is my lunch today and I'm gonna eat it now and I'm very hungry. So I have now finished my lunch and I'm just going to pop it on the side for now because I need to film a video before anyone gets home from work. So yeah, I'm just going to pop this over here with the rest of my, well, some of this is my mum's as well, but with the rest of my washing up now. Okay, so I am now going to basically get ready to film my video. I'm filming my like going out glam makeup that I literally always do. No one's asked for it, but I am going to do it because I literally do it all the time. And I haven't worn makeup in literally so long, so I'm going to put some makeup on. I am going to take an Instagram photo as well, film a video. Right, okay, so I'm just opening up my blinds to let some light in. Okay guys, so I have just got ready to film. I'm in my outfit. I have done my eyebrows and I'm about to film now, so I'm just setting up. So I'm going to film that. Should waste about an hour, 45 minutes maybe. So yeah, I'm going to get on and film, which I'm excited to do because I haven't actually sat down and filmed in quite a while. So I'm excited. So yeah, let's get on filming. Okay guys, so I have just finished filming. There we go. So I have now finished washing up. That only took me about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to let all of this dry. And now I'm going to tidy my room. So this is the mess that it's in. This is my desk. So yeah, this is that. It's not too bad in this corner. And then you come over here and it is a complete mess. So I just filmed a makeup video and that's why all of this is here. All of these clothes are clean, they just need to go away. Some of it's dirty. There's me. But yeah, my pillows are on the floor, a bag full of clothes, some clothes in a suitcase. And then this is what it looks like over here. I haven't made my bed today. I'm changing the sheets now, so let's get started. Okay, so I have been tidying for quite some time now. It is now 7:24, and this is what my room looks like. So obviously on my bed I just need to put on some new bedding. This is my pyjamas tonight and I just need to take these things downstairs. But my room is looking so tidy now. That I'm giving to Shauna. But yeah, my room is tidy. There is nothing on the floor. So now I'm making my dinner. I'm going to have chicken, broccoli, spinach, sweet corn, and then just some halloumi as well. So yeah, I've just marinated the chicken and now I'm gonna put it on here and start cooking. Okay, so this is my dinner. I've got halloumi, veg, and then peri-peri style chicken, and this is my dinner and I'm so excited to eat it. I've just started eating this bit of halloumi and I'm gonna eat it now. Okay guys, that is now the end of this little 24-hour vlog kind of style video. I honestly have not really been doing a lot. I've just been, you know, tidying my room, eating food, watching TV, watching YouTube on my phone, you know, the usual kind of stuff. It's already been 24 hours, it's been over 24 hours, but that is the end of the video. I am literally just going to take my makeup off and get into bed and watch more YouTube and go to sleep. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little video, and if you did then please hit the like button and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, bye!